Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, it is a new designer review. This video came requested on my Instagram. I asked last week what next designer review should I film, and a lot of requests was on my new Hermes bag. Today's video, it is a full review of my Hermes Herbag. If you want to see an unboxing of the bag, or like the day that I took it home from the store, there is a full unboxing on my Instagram. So today we're gonna fully review the bag. I'm gonna show you everything you need to know if you want to buy this bag. The good thing of the Herbag is that it comes in so many combinations, so I'm gonna tell you which one is mine. Exactly, it is the Hermes Herbag 31 Retourne in Baton Noir with gold hardware. If you watch other review videos about the Herbag, I know that is very often referred as the starter pack Hermes bags. I think for two main reasons. Of course, first of all, it is much more affordable than a Birkin or a Kelly, and also it is not a quota bag, so you don't need to put down a wish the Hermes boutique in order to get the bag. My personal experience, it is a little bit different. I already have a Birkin and I already have a Kelly, so for me it was not a starter pack. For me it came a bit as a surprise. I've got the bag now for 2 months, and you know that when I film these designer reviews, I never film a review as soon as I unbox the bag. I always like to use the bag for 1 or 2 months, or like until I'm ready to, you know, fully review it for you. It was my birthday and we went shopping, and I walked into the Hermes store, and you know, when it's your birthday you want to buy maybe a gift for yourself, but I didn't really have anything super specific in mind. And actually I thought that I wanted to buy like a picotin bag for the summer. Also, I don't have any wish put down at Hermes at the moment, because there is 2 bags I like as my next, and I still couldn't make up my mind, but that's a different story. So we walked into the store. I had in mind of buying myself for my birthday a picotin. They didn't have the color that I had in mind, and when it comes to Hermes, I'm not really ready to compromise. I'm a bit like that in general with everything that I buy. I know what I like and I'm not gonna buy something similar. I'd rather wait. So then when I was there, my super sweet sales assistant, she was like, what about a Herbag? And I was like, I don't know, can I see it? And then she came out with this bag, and the minute I try on, even my boyfriend was there and he was like, that's perfect for you. It's like, because the picotin for me, it was a bit too small because I'm very tall. And anyways, it was sort of like love at first sight. It's a bag that I didn't really never considered, but the minute I tried on, I thought it was like perfect. And it was in a color combination that I knew that I would use a lot in spring, summer. So yeah, then I took it home with me. If you already have some Hermes bags, maybe you can understand this better. I know that a lot of people say that the Herbag is very similar to a Kelly, and the design is a bit similar, but I find it extremely different from my Kelly. My Kelly is like in a nata color, so it is, I think it's like the most beautiful bag in the world, but I find it very delicate as a color. It's probably my only bag that I'm really babying it. While this one, I feel like I've been wearing it almost every day since I got it. It's like, I feel like it's a bag that I don't have to baby. It's much softer. My Kelly is in the Epsom leather and it's quite stiff, while this one, because it's canvas, is like very, very soft. So in general, I find it very, very different from my Kelly. That's a personal opinion. In terms of pricing, so I bought my bag in the Amsterdam Hermes boutique, so this is a European price point, and at the moment because I don't know when you're gonna watch this video, there might be like price increases, you know, they're happening. So I paid 2,170 euros for the bag. One of the most asked questions about Hermes bag is if it will retain her value, and it will. Like I will never sell my Hermes bags, invest in them, because I know that it's a bag that I will never get tired of it and I can wear until I'm alive, really. It's such a classic that, you know, you can wear it at any age. Just out of curiosity, if you take a look at the resale price, they all sell for around 4,000 euros. So it is a bag that it definitely retain her price. And something that I must say is, like, it is a bag that it is completely understated. I don't know why. All you see it is Kellys or Birkins. You don't see a lot of hair bags around, and I really don't know why, because it is such a good bag. It definitely should be a more popular bag, and I know that it is a bag that once you get one, you might get more. So, you know, I already have another color combination in mind, or like on my wish list. So it is definitely a bag that I recommend, and that I know that you're gonna fall in love with it and you might want to have more colors. Going into specifics of the bag, so the bottom of the bag, it is made of canvas, and it is a washable canvas, so you can dry clean it. If you spit something on it, you can take it to a dry clean. Of course, I would advise to not just walk into any dry cleaner. First, do your research if it's someone that already has been treating Hermes bags, for example, or you can always take it into the Hermes boutique and deal with them with the taking care of it. The top of the bag, it is leather, and then you have a zipper at the back, super easy to open and close, so it is actually very handy to have a zipper there. I always keep my phone here. I went for the gold hardware, so you have the button here, and like basically the zipper and like all the hardware is gold, and then it comes with a strap. I wear it both way, as like a handbag and as you know, shoulder bag. I really like it both ways. I want to try and remove the strap. I wanted to be doing this for a week already, but then I thought I'm gonna wait until the day I film the review, so I can include a video tutorial on how to remove the strap, so maybe, you know, it can be useful for you as well. And in general, as a feeling of the bag, it is much lighter than a leather bag, because of course it's canvas, so it is, I find it like extremely wearable, because it's mainly canvas, is quite light, so even if you make it very full, it's not gonna be a very heavy bag to carry around. And I find that it is the perfect summer bag, because to be honest with you, I don't really wear my Birkin is black, so between now and September, as soon as the weather gets really warm, I don't wear it anymore. I think this is gonna be perfect to wear with those outfits that I would normally wear my black Birkin, then I would wear my hair bag. Let's go in with the pro and cons of the bag. Let's start, of course, from the pro. One of the pro is that it is very wearable, very light, a perfect everyday bag. Second pro is that, and for me it's like, it's been really like the pro of the bag, is that the bag that I don't have to baby. I don't have to worry, you know, if I wear it, it's gonna get dirty, or it's gonna get scratched, or it's gonna ruin. Like, I feel that it's like very wearable. I can wear it every day, and especially for me, the strap, as I have a child as well, it comes quite in handy, and I also really like the style of it with the strap. Third pro, I think it is a very versatile bag in terms of styling, so I can see myself wearing this bag even with like shorts and the shirts in like a super casual way, but I think it can also be a business casual bag, especially if you get black on black. I think it can be also like a very good office bag. For example, if you get black leather with black canvas. I think that's the perfect office bag if you feel that the light canvas is a bit too casual. I love the fact that you can mix and match the bottoms with the top. I buy 2 bags, but I can have 4, because I think in winter, for example, I would wear the black on black a lot, and then also I would like in summer to also have not just this combination, but also like the light canvas with the tan gold leather on top. And the next pro is that it is very roomy, so you can, you know, really put all of your essentials inside. You can fit a lot in. And then the last pro, it is definitely the price. It is a huge price difference between a Kelly or a Birkin. So if you want to try out an Hermes bag for the first time, but you don't really agree with the 8, 9, 10k budget, depending on what you go for, I think this is a very good entry-level price for Hermes. Now let's go with the cons. I do have some cons actually, but I'm finding my way to go around them, so in the end the pro overcome the cons. So first, it is the very untreated leather, so it is very smooth, and then always for any brand, when you go for a smooth leather, it is very easy to scratch. I tend to try and always get, when possible, my designer bags in a grainy leather, because I know that it is much more durable, and then I don't have to worry about scratches on it. But you don't have this choice with the Herbag. The second cons, I think that it is definitely the fact that it is quite hard to open. So I'm gonna show you now how to open it. So you slide this out, and then because of how the lock is made, you kind of have to like really pull, and then what happens is that you see you have already like a sort of a mark. What I end up doing, it is to either I put my essentials in the zipper at the back, so either my phone here, and then I put my wallet in the pochette, because it comes with an attached pochette, so even if your bag is open or half open, like not fully closed, you can hold your essentials here, so you know you don't have to worry that things or like valuable things get stolen. And then I tend to just wear my bag like this. I kind of like the undone look, especially, you know, if I wear like a casual chic outfit, I don't really mind. You can fit so much that really you can fit anything you want in it, anything that you need that day. Finally, I think I didn't show you the inside properly, and it is very basic inside, so there is no compartments, there is no side pockets or anything, there is only a pochette, but it does have a zipper, as I showed you before, and the pochette, it is very safely attached. Also, what I really love of the color combination that I went is that because you don't really see it if it's closed. If you wear it like this, you don't really see it, but if you wear it open just like this, you see the sides. I really love this combination with the stitches, like all the black contrast with the light canvas. I find it really elegant, and I love it. Okay, so in general, I think it's a bag that I really do recommend. I had to test it a bit first, so as I said in the beginning, the strap was a bit annoying me, and the way that, you know, it was so hard to open and close, it did annoy me a bit, but I got around with it, so I wear it like this. And now I'm gonna show you how to remove the strap. So in general, I think it makes a perfect everyday bag, a perfect office bag, a perfect bag when you are wearing something like, you know, casual chic, and that is pretty much the vibe. I always go with my personal style. Maybe that's why I find it like so perfect for me. And I think it is also a very good holiday bag and a very good travel bag as well. So if you are thinking to buy one, I would say like don't even think it twice. Now let's remove the strap. Basically you have to unscrew this side. Very easy to just unscrew, and then you get this little bit of chain. On one side you have a screw and a little chain, and then on the other side it is this long. So basically you have to take this sort of screw out like this. And then once the screw is out, you are able to pull this metal handle and take it out. And then you can take your strap out. This is your strap that is now out. Now let's rebuild the bag, because basically we removed the strap but everything came out, so we also removed the handle. This is also the process that you use to remove the canvas, like so separate the top from the bottom. So it is a bag that it all came apart and you can build it back. So I think it's extremely smart. Now let's see how easy or complicated it is to build it back. So I'm gonna take my metal thing back, and my handles is a double handle, so make sure you have the holes both at the same side, and then just go through with the metal through the holes until the very end. And that's it. And now I'm gonna take the chain out again, here, push it in, and then screw it back in. It was very easy. So this was my first time. I really wanted to test if it's something that I can do easily. It's definitely something that you can do on the day. It is very easy and practical. Okay, so this was also a test for me to understand how practical was this operation of. I think it is extremely easy. It's something that you can do on the day, decide how you want to wear the bag with or without the strap, and it did pass a practical test. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you find it useful. Let me know if you're going to buy a hair bag. I'm very curious also of which color combination you like, if you like the same as mine or like different colors. So leave me your comments down below in the box. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like the video, leave me a comment and subscribe to my channel, and also let me know which designer review I should film next.